Hi guys, my name is Zlata Evgenovich and I'm an artist with over 20 years experience, but my biggest passion is fluid art. You know, a lot of people asking me, do I have to do just a technique and basically not putting my own view into the painting? Absolutely no. You can see behind me there is some cool painting which is done based on fluid art. There are tons of really nice paintings we can do in a fluid art. Let me show you today how you can create the seascape. But it's not a regular seascape. We will do it the one which you can see in the evening when everything getting darker and the cool, vibrant red, orange colors all over the sky. Are you ready to see that? Let's do it. So first, let's create two cups. The first one will be red and yellows and orange. This is just for the sky. Oh, something got into that, but that's totally okay. Nothing will happen. That's a lot of yellow. Maybe I should add a little bit black. You know, sometimes when you look at the sky, you can see some blackish part. But first, let me put some orange on top. Somehow I don't like the black on yellow because it might create a little bit green. Okay, that's enough. So that's enough for the first. That will be my sky. Now let's work on the dark part, on a sea. So I really want to have it darker because when it's really dark in the evening, you will be able to see basically nothing. All your attention concentrated on top, on a sky. So I'm going to keep going with my colors. Let me add a little bit green. I have really cool green color as well. Oops, it's a little bit on the light side. Don't need it. I have really dark green. Oh yeah, that's way better. So, but you see, that's okay. If you made the boo-boom, you made a mistake, just keep going. Nothing really critical happened. So keep playing with this and you will be fine. Okay, I guess that should be enough for us. That will be for our sea. That will be for the sky. All right. And you know, just for the interest, for the sky, I will add some gold. Always love gold on the sky. Okay, let's do that. Clean it up. Now, the way how you working, you would have to put both of those cups on that side, because if you will put one in one side and another in another, it will be almost impossible to go and get the paint all over the painting. So we're starting with the sea. So right here, you can just use our regular technique, or what I'm going to do for the sky, I'm just flipping it. Now I need to use it fast and just go close all this, and let me open my second part. Wow, look at the colors. They're amazing. Now just need to be spread. Let's go all the way, all the way. All the way up. Come on, come on. Yeah, we covered the sky. Now we're going to cover the sea. Look at the colors, so rich. Just by adding the black color, we already adding a lot of cool textures and colors. Now we are trying to make it kind of, you know, straight line. I know it's hard, but in reality, we have we have a horizon line right here. We need to recreate it because horizon cannot be like this, right? That's a C. We need to make sure we got the right horizon line. Just like that. So we will keep putting more until we don't have any green left. And this part should be covered as well. And just like that. Nice. Nice. Look at this. It already looks like a landscape. It already looks very cool. But we are not done yet. Let's keep playing. We need to add some colors for the bottom part to make sure we have our corners covered. And right here, all done. Now, guys, don't forget to clean your hands. You can continue like this without dirty hands. Always make sure your hands clean. Okay. Wow, looks gorgeous, but we're missing one big part. You remember when it's a sunset, we should have, right, sun. We are missing sun. Let's put it in somewhere in the middle, just something small. We don't need huge, something small. Okay. Now you can take your palette knife and play with this. That is my palette knife. Come on. Come on. I know, but it's a big one. Where is my small one? Okay, let's play with this one. That's fine. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to spread it so it will look like it sits right there. You see? And I'm going with the small details. Very little, tiny, one by one. You don't want to do a huge thing. You want to just fit a little bit. Make sure that it does look round. It does look round. And make sure you still have your horizon line. And you always can go here and grab more colors. And add them. Because you know when the sun is here, we will see. We will see those lines coming. But that's too much. We shouldn't go like that. It should be very less. It should be very less intense. Something like this, so just a little bit, and you see we have really cool color right here. It's kind of all getting together. The only thing we're missing is the top of the sun. Somehow it didn't read through. Let's add it, but not like this. We need to make sure it does look round. Okay, just like that. So guys, what do you think? I think it's pretty cool. It's definitely landscape, it's definitely recognizable, and look how cool it's looking. Very nice. And this is a fluid art. It looks absolutely realistic,